Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys apps notification setting, and today video title is guys how to disable apps notification. Friends, you want to disable guys, you don't want to use guys any app notification guys, you want to disable. So now how can you disable? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, you want to disable guys your all apps notification. So now how can you disable it? Open your phone setting and friends click on this notification setting and guys click on your apps notification. So when which app notification guys you want to disable guys, right side this icon guys, tap here and guys which app guys, like Chrome guys you want to disable guys this all notification guys, tap here show notification, then guys this Chrome notification will disable guys. So we cannot see guys Chrome notification on our screen. So like that guys, you want to disable your file notification guys, your gallery notification guys you can disable from here guys, your Google Pay and guys like that guys, your phone pay and YouTube, Instagram guys notification guys you want to disable guys, you can disable from here. After disable guys, you cannot see guys this app notification on your screen guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.